We do also have a solar water tank on the roof that holds about 300 liters of water, and that's nice because it brings piping hot water into the house for showering and washing dishes and stuff like that. And that has been working wonderfully for us. And the company that installed that for us is called Suntech, and they came, they did the installation, and everything's been great. So we recommend them for sure. And there's the solar water heater up on the roof. It's kind of hard to see, but there it is.